Site wind flow analysis, Formit to flow design. Okay, let's open Formit, and there's our site model. I've just knocked my screen resolution down for this recording, which is why the tools look a bit large, but it doesn't really matter for what we're doing. There's our site model that we are familiar with, and what we're going to do is go up to File, Export, and we will export this as an OBJ file. Export that, and you can see I've actually already exported it there, but that's the process from Formit. You can also export an FBX, which also works in flow design. Different versions there. So that's another option. Okay, so we've done that. Then that's all we need to do in Formit. Let's open flow design. Okay, and in the interface you've got your recently opened models down here, and you can see that I have been importing OBJ and FBX files, but let's just go with this OBJ for now. I think the following video where I look into the tools within flow design in more detail did use an FBX, so you can have a go with both. So let's find that file. There it is, that's the OBJ file, and just click open on that. So there's our site, but it looks a bit odd because not quite sure why, but OBJ files or FBX are always imported with slightly wrong orientation. I do show this in the other video as well, but I'll just quickly go through it. So up top there in our tools we have orientation, and it should be the Z angle. No, it's not. It's the X angle, that's right, that we need to just rotate through 90 degrees. Okay, so we've got our site there. I just move that simulation plane a little bit, and I mean, I'll go through this in the next video, but we'll just briefly change the view. I won't do it now, but in the next video I'll show you how to restrict the size of the wind tunnel. Okay, so I've just brought that plane down. Now, one thing that we do get with flow design is sometimes when you're using the plane view, you do get this slight kind of error on the geometry, which you can see here. And it is just a limitation of the software, I think. It doesn't seem to do it as much with FBX import files. But a simple way workaround really is if you change to the flow lines, then just slow that down a bit. The flow lines don't generate that similar kind of error that we were getting with the plane, so that's a perfectly good workaround there. But that's all explained in more detail in the next video. This one really was just to get you from Formit into flow design, so I'll stop